Hey you guys, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel, and today we're just gonna have some fun, honestly. We are gonna play with glitter eyeshadow, and we're gonna talk about being over 30, over 40, over 50, and talking about glitter and can we wear it, because what spawned this is I was on Instagram and I showed you guys that PopBeauty came out with their new liquid glitter eyeshadows, and they are very reminiscent of the Stila ones. So I thought we would do a battle of the glitter eyeshadows because that's what I said on Instagram, and you guys were like, yes, that's so much fun. So that's why I look a little crazy and unbalanced, but let's get to this. So if you want to know more about that, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's do it. All right, so I really what I wanted to talk about during this video, and I'm using the Urban Decay Back Talk palette, and I'm just going to do a simple little eye. I'm going into the very first shade. And the reason why I wanted to do this was because, you know, I feel that sometimes I get, by the way, PopBeauty sent these liquid glitter eyeshadows to me, but sometimes I get these products and I just think to myself, my first reaction is, oh, there is no way that I am going to be wearing that. Now, I have been known to wear glitter eyeshadow in the past, but let's have a conversation about glitter and being over 30, since this is what this channel is about, you know, over 30, over 40, over 50. And my whole take on this is, why the heck not? Why can't we wear glitter? And so I'm going to show you how I wear glitter on my lids, and we're going to see which formula works the best. So I just wanted to build a very simple eye for you guys. We're going to go into this shade right here, which is called Back Talk. And I'm just going to build a little bit of a pink moment because the glitters that we're using are more pink, and that matches. I've been doing all of these, you know, such creative videos over on my other channel, Hardware Beauty, and with Holland Roden. And it's been inspiring me to do a few more, you know, fun looks on myself. So how I like to wear glitter is I like to just kind of do a nice base of a transition shade. We are going to be using the Stila in, let's see here, Peachy Sheen, and then the PopBeauty in Crushed Copper. It's more pink. I actually just used this on a shoot again for the first time, and I've used these many, many times, but they're the most similar that I can find in color, so it won't look crazy. But my favorite way to do it is to build a transition shade that looks like this, and then actually to wear glitter as a liner. I feel it's just more approachable, in my opinion, for me. So I'm going to go in with the Stila one, and we're going to build, and we're going to do two looks today. So I'm just going to show you how I like to wear it with a little bit of liner. I am just literally taking it, and I'm actually going to put it on the back of my hand because that'll be easier for us. I use it on a different brush, and I use it on a stiff brush. So I'm using very light-handed techniques right now. I'm literally barely pushing, and this is an eyebrow brush. I feel that a regular liner brush will be too soft to apply this glitter. Let me scoot you guys in. There we are. All right. So basically what I do is I just take a little bit and I place it right here on the lash line, and you can kick it out if you want to. But what glitter does is, can you see as I kind of wink or blink, wink and blink, and the sun catches it, it will actually open up the eye a little bit and give it a little bit more of a flash of something special, or maybe just give it a little bit more of a wide awake effect. Okay, so right off the bat, you know, the Stila ones do work really, really well. You have to let them dry because they do transfer. This one by PopBeauty is a little bit on the pinker side. And when I used this for that shoot, and I'm sure that Stila has a more pinkier version of this because it's really pretty, and the price point is obviously dramatically different. PopBeauty is a very great, affordable brand. It's like a drugstore brand. I feel that the PopBeauty ones actually work better for a liner look like this. I think that they're more opaque, and I think that they just react a little bit better when you are trying to place them down in a lined fashion. But this is basically how I like to wear a, a look like this, a little bit of glitter. I like to pop the lip up, give it a little bit of a 90s moment, and that's basically how I wear it, and then I'll pop some mascara on. But I was going to do the second look first before I pop some mascara on. So this is a great, easy, approachable way how to wear a glitter liner. Do you see how much easier, though, that this one went on? This is the PopBeauty on the right-hand side. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to build in a little bit more depth into my crease. I'm going to go into shade, and I'm just going to build a little bit of depth into the crease. I just feel that, to be honest with you, the older and older I get, the more and more I just don't care. You know what I mean? What people think. I'm like, you know what? Do I want to glitter today? Yeah. And that's what I'm going to do. So that's what's actually amazing about growing older, is you stop, caring so much. Again, we all have our bad days, but you stop caring about what other people think as much, okay? If you guys have watched some of my in-depth kind of chit-chat videos, you know that that is not always true for me. But for makeup, I have a lot of confidence, and I just don't care what anybody thinks about my look, especially when I'm out, as long as they're done well. All right, so another great way to wear glitter is to actually use it on the bottom half of the lid. So I'm actually going to go straight in, and the Stila ones work much better when you use the applicator, which is fantastic. Okay, I love this color from Stila, this peachy sheen color. It's one of my favorites. I like to bring it all the way into the tear duct and just kind of ever so slightly let it fan out. I think this is a really beautiful way to wear some glitter. This would obviously be, for, in my opinion, some sort of special event, something fun, maybe a birthday, or, something where you want to have a little bit of fun. And this is how it goes on. It's so great. These don't crease as much. This one does go on better as well from the tube. I have been known to put it on with my finger. It slips and slides a little bit, and it definitely creases more than the Stila ones. But again, it's so much more opaque. Do you see the difference? The actual amount of glitter that comes off on the applicator for the PopBeauty ones is really fantastic. So I think the formula for the PopBeauty one is really, really good. And they have 3 colors in the new PopBeauty ones. It's a kind of a silver, this color, and then a more of like a blacky, hazy kind of color, and it has silver sparkles in it. So that'd be great for like a smokier eye. But to me, I just think that this one stands out so much more. Now, if you want a little bit more of a subtle version, this one would be fantastic. So you can take your pick. Oh my gosh, that one eye is so pigmented. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara, just to change it up. And that is the glitters. So I'll let you kind of look up close. Do you see how this one creases a lot, but yet at the same time you can't really see the crease, but it definitely travels. So this one doesn't. Once you put this on, it really stays in place. So as much as I love the Stila ones, honestly, my opinion is, and they don't have as many colors, but this PopBeauty is fantastic. Again, it's not really supposed to be applied with your fingers. When I applied it with my fingers at a shoot recently over on Monday and Tuesday, it really kind of moved and spread around the face. So I really recommend for both of these for you to use the actual applicator that it comes with. But, the price point for these is pretty high, and this is pretty reasonable, and it does the same job, if not better. Again, more opaque look than this one over here. So my final, my final results or my final opinions is that yes, we can totally wear glitter. I don't think that there's age limits or constraints to what you can do as far as, makeup and hair and nails and whatever else you want to do to make yourself feel good at no matter what age it is. So if you want to go on and rock some glitter, go on with your bad self and rock some glitter. I hope that these 2 ways showed you a little bit more of an approach to wearing the glitter in a much more kind of either effortless with the liner or a little bit more played up like this, but the whole lid doesn't have to be filled in. So I really enjoyed doing this. I've loved playing with these, and so the winner to me is the PopBeauty. They have done a fantastic job. Well done to them. And I actually have bought many of these and have hardly used them, but really got inspired when I saw the results from this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super fun tutorial, and I will see you on the next one. And thank you guys so much again. We just reached 70,000 subscribers, and I just can't tell you how much I appreciate it. It's because of you guys. So thank you so much for all of your love and support, and I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, you guys.